Hi there, this is Marcus with another financial accounting video. I'm the financial accounting tutor who've helped a lot of students succeed in passing their financial accounting class because I understand how difficult financial accounting can be. It's definitely a different way of thinking. So let's get started. Franklin Company deposits all cash receipts on the day they are received and makes all cash payments by check. At the close of business on August 31st, its cash account shows a debit balance of $13,162. Franklin's August bank statement shows $14,237 on deposits in the bank. Determine the adjusted cash balance using the following information. Deposits in transit, $4,500. Outstanding checks, $3,900. Bank service fees, $50. The bank collected on note receivable not yet recorded by the company, $1,725. The adjusted cash balance should be. All right. So once again, this is another bank reconciliation problem. And with any bank reconciliation problem, you have to figure out first, number one, what you're trying to find, which is the adjusted cash balance. And number two, you got to figure out what does the information, what side does that affect? Does that affect the cash side or the bank side? If it affects the cash side, it's going to be an adjustment on the book side. I mean, if it's already on the book side, it's going to be adjustment on the bank side. If it's already on the bank side, it's going to be an adjustment on the book side. So let's get started on this problem. So the first thing we need our balance of our cash account. So that is going to be 13,162. All right. And we're not worried about this 14,237 because we're not worried about the bank side. We're only worried about the book side. So we can ignore this 14,237. So deposits in transit, 4,500. Deposits in transit are already on the book side. Those are deposits that we've already entered in the accounting side, but they haven't cleared the bank yet. They're already on the book side. So the adjustment's going to be on the bank side. That's not going to affect us here because that 4,500 is already included in that 13,162. Outstanding checks. Checks that we have written, but they haven't cleared the bank yet. Checks are already recorded on the book side, so the adjustment's going to be on the bank side. So that 3,900 is included in that 13,162. Bank service fees, not yet recorded by the company. Well, there's the key word, not yet recorded by the company. We know this is going to be an adjustment on the company side because it tells us right there. So we got bank fees, and bank fees are always going to be negative. Let's move on down. The bank collected on a note receivable not yet recorded by the company. Once again, not yet recorded by the company. It's already on the bank side, so the adjustment's going to be on the book side. We're going to need to add 1725 because the bank is collecting on money for us. Oh, sorry. Note receivable collected. 1725. And now we just add these up. And that is going to give us the answer. 14,837 is going to be E. E and C are very close, but it's going to be E. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, financial accounting can definitely be difficult. If you need any other financial accounting help, I'm going to have more videos, or you can always reach out to me. That's going to be in the description. Enjoy the rest of your day.